Okay, so as we are drawing here you can see my two water molecules with my whiteboard markers. And then we have the oxygen, which has a negative charge down at its end. We have these two hydrogens, which are more positive down at their end because water is polar. We will learn all about why in this class. But what we're seeing here is when we put two water molecules in an orientation where the hydrogen is toward the oxygen, they pull together. So there is a natural force in the universe called electromagnetism that pulls them together. So in order to increase the potential energy of the system, we pull them apart. And I'm sure you could just grab a couple magnets at your house and pull them apart. You're increasing the potential energy of a system. It's the same thing as gravity. If I let this just drop, gravity is a force. It's an attraction between this mass and the mass of the Earth. And I can increase the potential energy by lifting this not very heavy plastic water molecule model up. And that also increases the potential energy. So whatever naturally happens due to the force of the universe, that direction is decreasing potential energy. To increase the potential energy, you pull apart. So let's look, that's in an attraction orientation. When things are repelling, we see here I have my two water molecules drawn with the oxygen ends together where they push on each other. They are not going to come together. You could also have drawn it with the hydrogen ends pushing on each other. So there we go. The force in this case is pushing outward. It's pushing those things apart. I can feel it. That is the universe pushing back on me. So if I want to increase the potential energy of this system, I try to force those things together. So if I have to do work, if I have to put in energy, that means I'm increasing the potential energy of my system. So that's how I like to think about it, and I hope that helped.